Quick and brief overview about GSTR 9. Why contact Finac Books? What is GSTR 9? GSTR 9 is a consolidated GST annual return form which contains all the detail about the outward-inward supplies made or received under the different tax heads, that is CGST, SGST, IGST and HSN codes filled by taxpayers in a financial year. This return must be filled by each and every GST registered user to showcase all their submitted monthly, quarterly GST returns. It is also applicable to those taxpayers who are registered under the composition scheme. Who needs to fill GSTR 9? Second question which may come in the mind of taxpayer is whether he needs to file this or not. No need to worry. Finac Books provide you much more clear picture. GSTR 9 is mandatory for all GST registered taxpayers, including composition dealers, and must be submitted once every financial year. However, if you have obtained multiple GST registrations under a single PAN number in the same state or different states, you need to file annual GST return for each registration separately. Who cannot file GSTR 9? Persons who are not required to file GSTR 9 are: first, input service distributors; second, taxpayer opted for composition scheme; third, persons paying TDS under Section 51 or CGST Act; fourth, casual taxable persons; fifth, non-resident taxable person. When to file GSTR 9? The due date for filing GSTR 9 return is 31st December for every financial year. However, sometimes it may extend to further date as per government instructions. Types of GSTR 9. There are 4 types of return forms which can be filled under GSTR 9. First one is GSTR 9. This form is filled by all the normal taxpayers registered under GST. Second one is GSTR 9A. This form is filled by taxpayers who have opted for the composition scheme. Third one is GSTR 9B. This form is filled by all the e-commerce operators who have earlier filled GSTR 8 during the financial year. And at the last one is GSTR 9C. This form is filled by taxpayers who are having an annual turnover of more than 2 crores in a financial year. As per subsection 5 of section 35 under the GST Act, every taxpayer whose turnover exceeds rupees 2 crore need to get their accounts audited and file the audited financial statements along with GSTR 9C return. Penalties for late filing of GSTR 9. Late filing of GSTR 9 may lead to heavy fines and penalties. In case you are unable to file GSTR 9 before the deadline, late fee of Rs 100 per day under CGST and Rs 100 per day under SGST will be levied. That is total of Rs 200 per day. However, there is no late fees applicable on IGST. In addition to the late fee, you also need to pay interest at 18%, which is calculated on the basis of outstanding tax amount. Is it possible to revise GSTR 9? Once you have filed GSTR 9, there is no way you can revise it. Hence, it is recommended that you must be very careful while filing GSTR 9, or you may have to go through a specialist accountant advice. I hope this session might have updated your knowledge regarding GSTR 9. Please post your queries, comments below this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. You can also call us at 8800 or email us at info@fanacbooks.com. Thank you.